Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be discussing the importance of having an insurance broker on your wealth building team. Now, this is another position that you may find someone to work with, but you are not going to have a consistent relationship with them. You don't need insurance necessarily every single year. Usually, you go out and shop for a policy, you get a policy, and then for the most part renew. Every so often, it's a good idea to check, make sure you're getting the best rates, but for the most part, unless you're getting new insurance, maybe you're buying new homes, new rental properties, or fix and flip deals or whatever, or maybe your business, that might require you to have a more ongoing relationship with your insurance broker. Now, I say insurance broker instead of an insurance agent because an agent works for a specific company. So they can offer you quotes from that company, but typically they're not going to have information regarding the rates for the area. So if you go to an insurance broker, they can search all the various different types of insurance in your area that you qualify for and then compare the prices so that you can make your selection based on that. Now, I will say that having a broker to search multiple insurance companies will give you the best opportunity for price. The actual insurance product, for the most part, is the same. So when it comes to health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and your home insurance, those are the big ones, right? You will want to see what insurances you can get from work, like your health insurance perhaps, and your life insurance. But this is a key thing, and I'm going to discuss in more detail. I'll do another training about insurances in general. But when it comes to life insurance, typically having a policy outside of work is a really smart idea. And even if you plan on staying at your job long term, you never know what could happen, like now with the coronavirus, even that could cause you to lose that job. Now, let's say you're working at a company, you've been there for 10 years and you have your insurance with them, you plan on staying there till you retire, but something happens in the interim that you lose your job, but between the time you started working until the time that you got let go, what if now you got diabetes or something, or high blood pressure, or some other change to your health occurs during this time? You may no longer qualify for insurance outside of your company, and that's a problem. So I recommend, if you have from your company, to also have another policy, a basic term life policy outside of your company. And again, I'll go into the difference between term life and whole life policies and why I think a term life policy, for the most part, is more beneficial for the majority of people and situations. So keep a lookout for that training. But as far as this training goes, the next thing is your auto and home insurance. And as you change vehicles, add vehicles, maybe if you get married or if you have children that now start driving, that changes your car insurance situation. And then with your home insurance, if you end up moving or buying more rentals or other real estate property, that changes as well. So having a good relationship with someone who kind of understands more or less what your insurance needs are is an awesome bonus. It's not necessary in order to have all of these things in place. You could go to individual insurance broker, like individual insurance agents even, to get it done. I just think the broker is a better for your pocket as far as finding the better rates. Again, at the end of the day, it comes down to what assets do you have that need protecting, and how can insurance step in as a last defense in a situation in which something happens that's outside of your control. So get your insurance broker, get one that will search for multiple policies depending on what type of insurance you're looking to buy, and that will help make sure that your assets are protected in the long run.